So I got these covers for my Pixel 4 from Amazon. These are glass, so there are 3 in the pack. But are they any good? So the box came in and there's wet wipes and dry wipes over here, but they're both dry, so it doesn't even bother. It's not even worth it to open them because they're dry. There's some guide stickers over here. You have to clean the phone really well before that. They did give you a dust remover, so the phone cleaned already with some glass cleaner, so not sure if that's what's supposed to, but the things that came in the box were not really that great. And this was supposed to be a dust remover, so this should remove the dust off the screen. So I'm gonna grab the sticker. Oh. Yeah, this sticker is not strong enough to hold it. There it is. Let's see, is it now? Okay, so I gotta grab the sticker, and now I'm gonna put it on the screen, and the sticker already let go. So yeah, these stickers are useless, but you could just grab it from the side, and this is how I put it on. Grab it from the side, make sure you don't put anything under, just put it on the screen where it's supposed to go. And if it's clean enough, then you'll be able to just do this, and you'll see it's gonna just eliminate all the air by itself, and whatever air doesn't come out, then you could just push it out. So there you go, see, it's going in, and you could just push these bubbles out. So let's see how that's gonna work out. Just push them with the fingernail, and they usually are pretty good at going out and never coming back in. So there it is. See, the bottom ones that went away. There's one more over here. That's gone too. And I have one over here. Turn the phone off. Okay, and that went away, and this corner over here, this is the one that never really stayed very well. So what happened is that this is the corner that came off the first time I had it on. Some dust got under it, and then most likely got caught into something, and then just lifted off, and it was done. But once it's in the case, it gives it a little bit of extra protection. I would put a link for this case too on this video. I really like this case. This is made by Tudia, so it's a pretty good case. It's a double case. I dropped the phone a couple of times. It never breaks. It does protect this corner over here for the glass a little bit, so it does give a little bit of protection. But as I said before, this is where it comes off usually. So this is where you're gonna have the first problem, and then from here it's downhill after. And this is the old glass. This is the first one that came off. As you can see over here in the corner, something happened. So this is where everything went south from. Here in the corner, something happened, and it just lifted up. Then the glass has a couple of scratches on it, so definitely did its job. But oh, it was definitely glass, so there was no lie. Definitely glass. It just broke right now.